Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this absolutely beautiful brand new 2019 Ford F-150 King Ranch with a 601A package. Now the exterior color is a white pine and metallic tricoat, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front we have our LED hand loading lights as well as our LED daytime running lights, the pair of fog lamps, 2 tow hooks in it, and your block heater connection. We also have our 20-inch polished aluminum wheels at the side, wrapped in our Goodyear tires, as well as we have our OEM running boards with our chrome mirror caps and door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top we have our twin panel moonroof, and this King Ranch also comes with remote start. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4-and-7 pin connection as well as a trailer hitch connection. We also have our spare fifth wheel located underneath and our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera. We also have our LED taillights and our power release tailgate with power locking, as well as a tailgate step. And inside our box we have a spray bed liner, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature. At our interior we have loads of driver friendly features, including tons of door storage with ambient lighting, as well as we have our power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows and power adjustable and foldable mirrors with our blind spot information system. Over at our steering column we have our LED lighting under our mirrors with our automatic lamp dial, our pull and park brake, and our foot pedal adjustment switch. We also have our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings. At the right we have hands-free and entertainment and volume controls. And as we look up we have our auto dimming view mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage opener points, and our beautiful twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior we have our Java leather with our unique King Ranch embroidering, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have a Sync 3-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, including heated steering wheel for the driver, as well as phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As well as we can watch the display of our reverse camera. And underneath we have our sync controls, as well as we have our full drive engagement, integrated trailer braking system with backup assist, and at the right we have our 12-volt and AC outlet. We also have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout our entire cabin, as well as we have our air conditioned and heated seats for both driver and passenger. We also have our dual smart charging USB ports, as well as we have our console shift lever with our manual select option at 10 different speeds with our lane keep assist, park assist, as well as cubby storage, dual cup holders, and our center console load storage. And underneath, the 2 cup holders at the rear, and the driver and passenger can also both enjoy multi-contour massaging seats. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage with power windows, as well as more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back for our center console we have a 12-volt adapter with our outward seated seats, dual USB ports, an AC outlet, and dual ventilation to keep air circulating in the rear. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement we are left with loads of legroom and tons of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this outstanding F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.